Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to build your immune system or kick a cold? Well, check out Sambucol's Black Elderberry Syrup. This really is rich and great for taking just to get rid of any kind of sickness or prevent it in the first place. I like how dark it is. That just confirms to me that it has a lot of antioxidants in it, which this elderberry is filled with anthocyanins, and that is a unique antioxidant. So any bit of help that we can get, might as well take it. And I like that this is gluten-free, dairy-free, and kosher. My favorite part about this is that it is free from artificial flavors, so that means I can enjoy it because other ones tend to affect me negatively. And the ingredients of the black elderberry was grown in Europe, and they're known for having some of the finest produce worldwide. I love just having this on hand. This is the 4 ounce, and I do give it to my kids because they are over the age of 4, but you can take it as an adult or if you're over the age of 4. This is really convenient, and the flavor's not bad either. I love having this. I think it helps in our immune system, but that's just my point of view.